Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to review opinion writing and go over some important details. So, to introduce our lesson, it's going to get cut off just a little bit, but our essential questions are: what is an opinion? What is opinion writing? And where do we see examples of opinion writing in our everyday life? So we're going to discuss about what is an opinion. So I want you to think about what is an opinion. It is a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. A belief based on experience and on seeing certain fact. Opinion writing is writing that tries to convince or persuade a reader of an opinion or belief. So we've written persuasive essays. So an opinion writing does have an element of convincing or persuading, right? We're not whining, okay? We're not begging. But sometimes when we're expressing our opinion, we're giving enough facts because we want other people to share the same opinion as us. So you're usually taking a position for something or against something. When you have an opinion, it means that you believe one thing and you don't believe another. So you don't have to do this activity, but we're going to do this together. It says we're not going to do this together right now, but think of examples of opinion writing in our everyday life. So I created some examples for you. So some examples of opinions are billboards, which you can see right over here is when there's big signs that are marketing for a product. Book or movie reviews. So if you're ever looking to watch a movie and you see that it has a really good review, that's because people's overall opinion is positive. If it has a bad review, people's overall opinion about the movie is probably negative. And sometimes commercials are advertisements. So there's different types of purposes for opinion writing, and there can be many of them. So one that I want us to really focus on is supporting a cause. Please donate money to save the whales. That's an opinion because if people want money donated to support whales, it means that their opinion is that it's really important to save the whales. The reason it's an opinion is because there's so many great causes to donate to. So if someone is choosing to donate to save the whales, that's what they believe in. Sometimes it's to create change. We should have better lunches in the cafeteria. That is our opinion. Sometimes it's to call people to action. So vote for Edward or vote for me for president. So sometimes opinion writing can be used to gain action from the people reading your opinion. One of the most common purposes is to get someone to agree with you. So the best kind of candy is chocolate, and you guys all did an excellent job on this activity last week. So we're going to now go into parts of opinion writing because we are going to write a couple opinion pieces. So what are the parts of an opinion essay, and how is an opinion writing piece organized? So you have an introduction, you have body paragraphs, and you have a conclusion. So your introduction is usually where you state your opinion. Your body paragraphs are what last week when we did this are reasons why, okay, you have that opinion and evidence of why that opinion is a good one. And your conclusion usually is when you restate your opinion. So in your paragraph 1, you would have your introduction. It hooks the reader in. Okay, you're going to have a claim statement that acts as a roadmap for your essay and serves an overview for what the essay will be about. We won't be necessarily writing essays, but longer paragraphs. So paragraph 2, this would more be like sentence 2 to 4 for us. You want to start with one major reason to support, and then you have supporting details or examples. And then you have your conclusion, which sums up your thoughts. So we're not going to do these activities. So this is the most important, is choosing a topic. What makes an essay topic successful, and how can we select effective topics for our opinion essays? So now we're going to talk about what makes an opinion essay topic successful. You want to have a strong feeling about your topic. You want to have prior knowledge on your topic, so you don't want to write about horses if you have no idea any information about horses, because it's going to be hard to formulate a strong opinion if you don't have background knowledge. And you want to be able to, you want it to be easy to support your argument. So you want to pick a topic that's easy to support. So for those of you that go down the beach, maybe you write an opinion essay about why your beach town is the best. That would be easy to support because you have so much experience and so many things you love about those little towns. So here are some really great examples that might inspire you as you complete your worksheet today. Should students wear uniforms to school? Should students be paid for their grades? Should students be allowed to use smartphones in school? How much homework should be given daily? Should smoking be banned in public? And that's the end of our presentation. Today you're going to be working on a worksheet, going over, and you're going to pick 4 topics. You don't need arguments, you don't need evidence, just 4 good opinion topics that you think that you could write about. I hope you enjoyed this activity.